collection of rosemary and oregano leaves, and they started off fresh and I used them as they were, and now they're somewhat dried out, and I said, you know what, we are going to keep these. So I am going to use my blender to mince these, and I can have some amazing oregano and rosemary. I can have these on hand. I can have these on hand for my favorite recipes. And the thing is, it's so easy to take off now from this. And you wouldn't believe, I've actually had this for months. I've kept it fresh in saran wrap with a little bit of air so that it can dry naturally without losing its scent or flavor. So it still smells like freshly picked rosemary. And I'm so grateful for that. And this right here smells amazing. So this is what we have. Look at those beautiful sticks. And these oregano and rosemary. And those of you who love Italian food know that this is a great combination. All we're missing is parsley. And yes, you can use fresh parsley in this as well. This may sound crazy, but I'm actually going to keep these and place these in my olive oil so that I can have rosemary infused olive oil. It's going to be a light scent, a light flavor overall because the leaves are off, but this will still be really good. And here it is. The last bit. So this one we're going to use this blade, which is better for mincing, and this not only goes for herbs but also garlic, ginger. Once you cut it up small, this will really fine dice it. This will really fine dice it, and if you add oil, it'll become a bit of a paste. If you want like a ginger paste, a garlic paste, that type of thing. Even sun-dried tomatoes. So here we go. See how powerful that is? I'm just going to take the spoon. It looks like a really nice powder. It looks like a really nice powder. And it smells incredible. Oh my goodness. I wish I could smell it. Look at that. I can't wait to use this. If you have an old seasoning container and you just wash and rinse it out really well, then you can actually place this in there, or you can put it in a very small ramekin or container and just use like a teaspoon every time you want to use it. I have some leftover pizza, so this is going to work really well with creating like a nice butter or oil mixture to place over it, reheat it, and just infuse these scents and incredible flavors. And of course, that's a way to save money and preserve your herbs without them dying off. Great thing is my set came with these two toppers here, so it makes it perfect if I want to use this right away, which I do. So here we go, and I can just shake it out. It's definitely big enough because this is very soft, very tiny pieces. And this one, I think it may be better to get through on this side, not necessarily this side, without clogging. So this is pretty convenient as well. So you can see the rosemary and oregano, and I also added Mediterranean seasoning, which emphasizes it. But the smallest pieces, as you can see here, is the rosemary and oregano mix, the fresh one that I did using the blender. And so this will really uplift your dishes without having to buy packaged seasoning, so to speak. So you can buy it fresh and use that and let it dry out, and this is what you can get. Happy cooking in 2024, or having amazing leftovers. Fresh out of the oven, and I added tomatoes just to give it a little bit of variety, and it looks amazing. My whole place smells like rosemary and oregano.